Welcome. All right, so this is basically SkeduPax. It's a system designed to allow your visitors, your customers, your clients to request appointment scheduling first instead of directly booking a date and time. This system allows them to request an appointment, with an open window saying maybe as soon as possible or next week or something. And then the business sends them an offer of a specific date after checking availability. Send them a specific date and time, offer them a date and time, and they receive that via email as well. They click to accept or maybe decline or request a review. So it's a complete workflow. It's different from the contactors form where they just fill and then it's manual, sends to an email. They need to now reply again to them. They know this is a complete workflow with a dashboard that allows you to manage your requests, manage your services and locations, manage your schedule offers, and also analytics. It gives you a complete overview of what exactly is happening. So it has a deep analytics page that is very insightful. So it also has settings. You can take payments too, which is optional. So for businesses that would like to take payments for services, that can be set up. It is not it doesn't come by default, so you just can set it up and then receive payments instantly for services. So when a customer or client requests for service B and they don't need to see the amount, but they can see the amount, you can set it up. So but when they accept the offer, they make the payments to confirm the appointment. So let me just run quickly through this. So this is the back end of the system. Here you have the dashboard, you have the request services location. So this is what the request looks like. So when a customer or client requests, it comes here for the business to accept. So here we have the list of services. You can add as many services as possible using this button here. You can edit already added services and delete as well. The same thing for locations. Now for schedule offers, this is where you see all the offers that has been made and the status, payments, and booking status as well. Here you can manage everything. You have the actions buttons to confirm or not. And here you have very deep, insightful analytics page that gives you everything: top locations, top services, offer acceptance mix, payment mode comparison, request status mix, and daily revenue. So it has everything. It has a total request, offer conversion, decline rates, review rates. So all of these can be exported as a CSV format document. All right, so let me go to the action itself, where would how it flows really. So this is the front end. Now this is the page. You can have this on your website as a button where when clients click the button, the request the booking button, it brings them to this page. Or you can have it as a widget, just like this. The way it's floating at the bottom left, you can be at the bottom right as well. Or you can have it here, click on it, it just pops up like this in a very nice modal format. Or you can have it as a page as well. You can have it as a page like this. So let's um, let's work with this. So this is you can see that this service you have the 30,000 naira service, and this is free as well. So you can enlist your services as free, or you can decide to keep it as free or put a price to it or a cost to it. All right, so you can click on it. All right, so we choose as our location, and then we can choose as soon as possible. So this is actually the window that the client or the customer visitor picks. They have as soon as possible, any day this week, any day next week, weekends only. So they don't have to pick a specific day and time, right? So let's pick as soon as possible, and then we enter the full name. Let me use my name, email address, phone number is optional, and then the urgency. Right here, you can put the customer can put details and then click on submit. So here they are able to review the entire request, and if everything looks okay, they click the submit request button, and then it says that it's submitted. So the next thing is that the customer or the client will receive a confirmation email in their inbox immediately, just like this one just landed here. So the confirmation email is just like it comes with the name of your the organization, and it's telling the clients your appointment request has been received. We'll review it and email you a schedule offer. And the admin also gets a similar email, right? So the admin gets a similar email, and once the admin gets an email or go to their request, they get an email notification and go to the request here, and they will see the offer here. That's it. What um, I just submitted. So it's showing as pending, and here we can send offer. So the admin can send the offer. Now another thing I want to show you is that aside from doing it here, like I said, there's a front end page that you don't necessarily have to come to this side. It gives you the same thing here, but it's a front end page that you can log into. This password right here, this password right here can be this password right here will be generated from the backend, and then you just log in. So when you log in, you see everything just the same way. Right, just the same way. You see the services, you see the request. So you go to request, for example. For request, you see the same bid banks right here. See right here. And this is still pending, so you can send an offer from here as well. So here you can choose a date. Let's say you want to give them Friday 12th, and you want to give them a time, say 3 p.m. Sometime 3 p.m. Let's give them 3 p.m. Right, so that's it. 3 p.m. Right, so and the cost. Let's say you want to put a cost for 5,000. It's optional, really. You can decide not to put a cost, but if you want to put a cost, fine. Then if you want to take a deposit, let's say out of the 45, you want to take 20,000, fine. But if you don't want to, it's also fine. It's just the payment part is completely optional. So here you choose a payment mode. You want them to pay online, deposit payments, or you want manual offline payments or pay on arrival. So you choose online payments, and then you choose the required deposit required. But the deposit is required. Then you choose a payment provider. You want to choose Paystack. Depending on your configuration, that's the premium provider you prefer to get the payment with through. So this is the payment deadline. You choose it. You want it to be 11th, right? And this offer expires same 11th, right? Okay. All right. So the offer expires 11th. Yes. All right. So once you've said this, you can put in your multiple proposed options. That is, aside from the offer date and time, you can also offer them more like options. Okay, if this doesn't work for you, this works for us as well. You can put it here, year, month, and day, then time as well. You can put it line by line. You can put as much as you want, but it's optional as well. So that the client would see other options, other open dates, time, other open days and time for the same appointment. So here you can put your cancellation terms. Here you put your refund policy, preparation instructions, and comments and remarks. So now you can send the offer right here. So the status changes to offer sent. And when the customer um, checks in the backend to their email, they'll get your appointment schedule offer has been sent, which is this. So they'll receive this email. Your appointment schedule offer is ready. Use a secure code, and then they copy this code. They need to copy this code because it's a secure login portal. They copy this code, and they can see all of the details here, their cost, the date proposed, and then they can go here. When they click on accept offer, they put the code right here. You can do it on their phone. It's actually very responsive. It works like a mobile phone. So right here they see everything, the location, the time, and everything. So they have to make the payment of 20,000. I remember deposit before they can accept this. So it shows please complete payment before accepting this offer. So basically, they can put in a note here. They can decline this if the date doesn't work or they are no longer interested in this taking this appointment, or they can request a review right here. They can request a review, put in what they maybe a time or day that works for them or anything, and then submit. So it goes back to admin for review. Now, let's say the person wants to pay. Uh, this is a test payment, so it's not it's a simulated payment. That's why I'm not using my card. You can see I've just clicked on success. I can do a decline payment, bank authentication, so success payment. So that's basically how it works, but then it's not real payment. So payment has been completed, payment completed, and then the customer can go ahead to accept the, the offer. So the customer has accepted the offer right now, and the admin would also get notification, or simply go to the backend. That's the and see that the status has been confirmed. It shows that the customer, the client, has accepted the offer and has confirmed it. So they can go to schedule offers and also see the same thing, that payment has been partially paid for the 5,000 cost, but then partially paid and everything. So and the status is confirmed. So basically, this is how it works. Like I said, you can go to the front end, your front end right here. Everything is here. Everything's still the same. You refresh it and you get the same thing. Refresh it and you get everything the same. All right. So you can see it here. All right. And the schedule offer is confirmed and partially paid as well. So basically, this is how it works. So it's smooth, and then you can check your analytics as well, see how everything is. You'll be able to see total request, everything, and you can save exports as a CSV file. Everything is here. It works, and that's basically what how this system works. It just makes it easy for the admin to offer a proper date and time for an appointment based on their availability, instead of just taking direct booking from customers and clients, just picking up dates and time and then adjusting later. So that can be chaotic for some organizations. So this is a streamlined workflow that I think should work for Lakeshore Cancer Center based on the feedback I got. And most of the things here are quite optional, like payments and all. So it's a good workflow that we built. And yeah, that's it. So if you have questions, you can reply to the email. Thank you. Appreciate it.